right, I always say that SEO is 80/20, and I want to show you an example. As you can see, we're getting in around 4,000 clicks for the last 28 days to anything that is Maid of Honor related. As you can see here, just filtered by URLs containing Maid of Honor, which excludes anything that's branded or anything in the best man or winning val areas. And although that seems fine, you will see that most of this is going to 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. So we have 66 pages, and only 4 of them actually get a significant amount of traffic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 of them are getting more than 10 clicks, or 11 of them, which means it's probably even worse than 80/20, right? So this is the content that you should be focusing on to make sure it retains its position, and then looking for any kind of outliers down here that have untapped potential, which will show in the CTR most of the time. So if we're looking at anything that ranks good, that will come with a CTR. I mean, this is mixed, so you'd have to look at all the keywords individually, but something around 11, 10% is usually pretty good. Again, this is an average. So anything that is 3 or 2 or anything down here that has more potential to raise up in the ranks. And obviously you could also use the position for this, which you will see that this is pretty good. This has some potential. And then obviously these, which we've seen also reflect in the CTR. Right? So this one, as an example, is actually already, this is new content. It's actually already doing pretty well. But I think if we just let this sit for a bit longer, we should be able to break into top 3. Most of these, this one being the most important, I would say. And that should give us a lot more CTR and a lot more of the clicks that come in here. So I'm expecting this to pull in 500, 600, something like that, once we are able to rank a top 3 for this one. And that is both a matter of, because this is new content, but also obviously going in and looking at competitors and refreshing the content here and there, adding some more authority, what Jen or marketing partner is already doing for some of these articles. So yeah, I think this helps us see how the 80/20 rule applies to SEO as well, and how you don't necessarily need a lot of content to get a lot of clicks. Obviously, diversification is always good, but there will be some articles and some content that will move the needle for you. And it's a matter of finding the pages that do that for you. All right. If any of that stuff sounds interesting to you, feel free to subscribe below, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.